Today we'll go to banking in the accounting module, where in accounting we have already completed the receivables, payables. Now just click on banking session. In banking homepage you can see all the modules which are linked to your bank accounts. Like you can also see the account receivables and account payables in the bank homepage, because while we are receiving the amount or while we are paying the amount, the bank account will be hitting. So if you if you are willing to check the account receivables, how many receivables that you have to receive, instead of you going to accounting and clicking on receivables, you can just go and click on AR summary and select the location and click on view report. Here itself you can see all the receivables data, and you can see the total amount that you should be receiving from your customer. You can also view the AP, how much you need to pay to your inventory vendor and a non-inventory vendor, and you can see the final, and you can also go through each and every customer. If you click on detail in the AR and AP, it will show you in more detail of your AR and AP. You can add a direct customer here itself, and you can create a customer receipt here. Bank deposits. Bank deposits are nothing but when your customer gave you a deposit amount. That deposit amount will not be hitting any of your accounts. That amount will be sitting under the undeposited funds. Once you receive that payment from your customer, just come here, click on bank deposit, and you can view all the receipts that the customer paid to you. For example, let me take this, and from undeposited funds, in which account this amount should be there. So in that case you are just sending from undeposited funds to the proper. So now this will be this receipt A plus environmental customer receipt from undeposited funds to US banking account is depositing. So whenever your customer gives you a deposit, you just come here and make a confirmation that that customer has been paid. So once you click on complete deposit, so the deposit will be created, and the deposit that amount will be sitting under your account, which you will be selecting while making the confirmation of the deposit. Bank transfer. For example, you are having amount in your bank account of location Dallas, and you also want to transfer to your other account. So from bank account, let me take, just give me a second. From undeposited funds I want to the bank account. Amount, let me take $100,000. Reference, today's transaction date, so if you can see the balance and the ending balance, because we are just transferring the $1,000 from undeposited funds to the bank account. So you can see the balance is 18,149, and the ending balance you can see it is shown as 18,148 because we are transferring this $1,000 to the bank account. And you can view it was $17,850, where after adding the $1,000 it has turned to $18,850. So if you just go and click on save bank transfer, so it will be showing the debit and credit from where we have taken this amount and from in which we have deposited this amount.